A lot of excitement in Australia today, not just because we're here at a Sydney penthouse, but for the first time we've got our hands on the WINBOT X, a window cleaning robot by Ecovacs.
Everybody has beautiful homes here with big windows, and the WINBOT X is perfect for that. Just put it on the window, press start, and go do your other things, and when you come back you have a clean window.
And it works without having another piece on the outside window. It attaches itself through suction and has a safety tether here. It's fully autonomous and it'll be out mid-year, and expected to sell like hotcakes.
You know, it's projected by the Boston Consulting Group by the year 2025, the service robot category is going to be an $85 billion industry. And they have increased this from 2014 from a $63 billion industry. So in the last 3 years, they have adjusted their estimates to predict that the robot industry is going to be even bigger.
So available around May, and expect to pay less than $1,000, but no specific price yet.